Okay guys, so here's the windows I saved from the off-grid, the old off-grid. As you can see, they're pretty rotten. But these two, this window here, they slide up, right? So I'm going to rebuild them. This one and these two are going to be for the living area in the greet room. And then these two here, gotta put new glass in on this one. And there's one other one that's broken. I think two of them are broken, I believe. That one's good. That one's busted. And that one's good. Yeah, so two of them are broken, so I gotta replace the glass in those ones. I got a bunch of glass in the old shed there, my dad's shed. I'll use the cutter and cut them. Anyway, so this week's project is to start rebuilding these windows. Plus I'm gonna make one more window with the extra glass in the back. I'm gonna make an extra window for my bedroom. Yeah. So hopefully this week we'll get those done. Alright, see you soon.